Welcome to a new Bitcoin daily analysis. All right, guys. We are actually keeping this uptrend. We didn't test it again, but we are actually staying below that. We just reject again this polarity level on the 4. I'm going there. But as you can see, this is still really bullish, okay? We are creating a new range here. We already tried to break that previous all-time high. Well, not break it, attack it. We attack it 1, 2, 3, 4, and maybe 5 here. But we still have a 1 hour untested candle here, and we actually still didn't test. Yeah, this body was tested. Yeah, by this week. So we just have a 1 hour untested candle here. I'm not really sure this 1 hour is going to be able to hold the move down because of all the polarity that we created here. And now here, as you can see, we are really trying to break up. Okay. So if I go to the 4, I'm just going to make a little talk about this range because I already talked about everything on the yesterday video. Okay, on this range, as you can see, this 4 hour break level created polarity. We have one rejection, big rejection here. We have another rejection here, and now the third rejection. Okay, so this is a polarized moment here, a polarized level that we reject. Okay, we have the 1 hour downtrend here. This is actually also the 4 hour downtrend. It's an interior trend from that previous major trend. Okay, we also have a 15-year. I was expecting the price to come down to this 4 hour untested candle. We didn't. We created a new range with this 15-minute level here. I'm going there, okay, guys? I'm going there. Honestly, after we created this range, I don't believe this 4 is going to be able to hold the price if we come down here. We still have this range trend on a 1 hour, this trend here, the white line, and that combining with that in the future, it has to be like on this range, okay? It cannot be here because if we come here, it's going to deep dive that level, and I don't believe that is going to hold. Maybe on maybe tomorrow, if we stay inside this range, because this is kind of bullish, we might break up. Okay, we might hold this range trend with that level. Okay, a combo level. So 4 hour, we have this 4 hour. It's also a polarized moment, at least if we reject this on this candle. Okay, it's not really yet. It's the top candle of this range. Okay, as you can see, and this is the break level. So we got a big rejection here. It's also the 15 there. So I believe that's more of 15 that 4 hour. And with the wick, okay, we have the rejection. So today we reject that 4, right? We created the 1 hour downtrend. We already have that. We already add that. We add this 15-year, this 5 year untested levels. But as you can see, with that polarity level above that, those are kind of useless. We just broke them, so we don't need them anymore. Okay. Let me just go to the one. I believe I don't. Yeah, okay. I have this one here. It was a big move. As you can see, it was an untested candle. It was a big move up, 1.2. So after that test, I can delete that. Uh, we have a 1 hour here untested candle. Okay, it was actually tested, but since we didn't went to the body, okay, that just deep dives goes to that polarity. And on the 15, I believe this is a really good range trend, but I'm not really sure we are going to hold that. So as you can see, this 15 hold the price 1, 2, and 3 times, created a big polarity level here. Okay, it's also that 4. So we mark the body of that, the body, no, sorry, the wick of that 15, and we make it here. Let's see if we are going to hold that or if we are going to break down. I believe if we are going to break down, I'm not really sure this 15 polarity level is going to hold, maybe that 4 can hold, we still have this 15 untested level, okay? And this is why I am in the long position on Bitcoin. I might get stopped, no problem. I bought this because we had a big move from that polarity level, and for also because of the 15 uptrend. Okay, my stop loss is really tight, and since I wasn't really sure, I just entered with less money that I normally do. I normally go with $10. Here I just have 6.5. Okay, on 100 leverage, as you know, my stop loss is on 15. Just a little, yeah. This is not right. It's on 50. 15%. Okay, I want to go at least to 60%, but I will try to, if we go there, of course, I will try to move my stop loss and probably try to go at least to 1%. Okay, that's 100% on 100 leverage. But this is kind of turning into a bearish moment. We did not attack that 1 hour. Let me go here. It's easy for you guys. We did not attack that 1 hour body. Okay, we are now rejecting. We might still hold the trend and this level. Okay, I probably just bought too high here because I didn't catch this big wick. Okay, I just catch it in the middle, so I might get stopped here, no problem. Yeah, I think I'm gonna watch this so you guys can see if I'm really going to get stopped or not. Maybe you can go to that polarity level again. That's why I should have bought here, but I couldn't catch that. So, or maybe this 15 can hold that again. I don't believe this 15 can hold that again, honestly. But let's see, guys. Let's see if that uptrend can hold, or maybe the 4 hour body of that break level. Okay, if we break this 15 trend, we are probably going to attack that 1 hour uptrend. Okay, and even this 1 hour was tested already multiple times. Okay, but this is a really big polarity level, so we might, if we break this trend, we might go to this level again. Okay, let's see. I don't want to predict that too much in the future because we still have this 1 hour and 4 hour untested candle. Okay, guys, that's the 4, and this body is the 1. Okay, so yeah, my best target if my trade continues is this 1 hour body here. Oh, not this one. Yeah, this one. Okay, and honestly, if we hold this, since we already tested a lot of times that polarity level, we might break it. Okay, that's what I really want, but yeah, we cannot expect too much. Okay, we got a little bit of a bounce again on that trend, so that trend, it's kind of good, I believe, because Bitcoin already tested all the levels here. Let me just go here. Yeah, all the levels here were tested. We are seeing a little bit of rejection. Well, this 1 minute wasn't, but I don't believe we are going to hold a 1 minute. Okay, guys, honestly, it looks like a little bit of rejection. So you already know my trade and my levels. Okay, okay, so polarity level, we might see another big rejection on that, but on the polarity level, you need to understand that if we break that, we are going to see a big move up. Okay, because there is a lot of liquidity here on this range. That is why that's a polarity level. Okay, this one on the bottom, it's kind of not created yet. We just have one touch here, so I believe we are just holding that 15-minute level and that trend. Okay, maybe this 4, it's not even a polarity level yet, because on the 4, as you can see, we just have one touch here, and the second is on this 4, so it's kind of not a confirmation yet. All right, guys, so I believe it's still going good. Yeah, still going. Okay, I'm not gonna stay here. See you guys tomorrow, and I hope this trade is going to my target. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.